Stop scrolling for a moment. What I'm about to say might change the way people see you forever. Have you ever wondered why some people walk into a room and instantly command respect, while others are constantly ignored? Why some people are listened to carefully, while others are interrupted and forgotten? The truth is simple. Respect is not given because someone is nice. Respect is given because of how a person carries themselves. Human psychology works in a very specific way. When you are always available, always saying yes, and always trying to please everyone, people may think you are a good person, but they will not see you as important. The human brain naturally values what is rare. If something is always available, the brain assumes it has low value. But when something is limited, its value increases. This is why quiet and focused people often receive more respect, not because they demand it, but because their presence feels valuable. There is a hidden power most people ignore: silence. People who talk too much reveal everything about themselves. Their thoughts become predictable and easy to read. But a person who speaks less creates mystery, and the human brain automatically tries to understand that mystery. When you speak less, people start paying more attention to you. If you truly want to understand people, stop focusing on their words. Watch their behavior. Words can lie, but behavior rarely does. Someone might smile and speak kindly, but the real truth appears when something important happens. Watch how people react to your success. Some will celebrate it, others will become quiet or uncomfortable. Envy is one of the most common emotions humans try to hide. But reactions reveal the truth. At the same time, when someone respects you even when you are not present, that is a person who truly values you. Another powerful truth is this: the most dangerous habit you can develop is working on yourself every day. Most people try to change the world or other people, but successful individuals focus on improving themselves. When you improve your knowledge, discipline, and mindset, your confidence begins to grow. Your posture changes, your energy changes, your presence changes, and people can feel it. You do not need to announce your growth. People sense it automatically. Here is the final psychological truth: people do not only listen to your words, they feel your energy. If you see yourself as weak, people will treat you that way. But if you see yourself as valuable, people will begin to treat you with respect. Confidence sends signals that the human brain reads instantly. Remember this: respect is not something you beg for. Respect is something your character creates. Speak less, observe more, work on yourself every single day, and eventually you will notice something surprising. People will start paying attention when you speak, and the same people who once ignored you will begin to respect you.